Yeah, they're being dogs.
They're setting their boundaries.
Yeah, Jillian hasn't played with any other small dogs, right, Pacey?
Correct.
No, just Jerry.
Oh,
Yeah,
how
just
cute!
I've been watching him, and he smells other dogs. He got one here on the corner, big dog he smells.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so he's familiar with a couple of them.
Good. Is Sean full midman?
Huh?
Is he full midman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. He sort of looks like a little tiny miniature pit bull because he's longer and sort of stocky.
You think?
A little bit, yeah.
I don't have any papers on him, but they told me, they told me that his dad was red, a little red one, and his mom looked like him.
Okay.
Oh, she is.
He's really cute.
So-
I never seen his dad,
Ew.
or the alleged dad.
Did you just get his tail docked?
I did that. I did that because I'm macho.
No, that's terrible. I would never do that.
And I was okay. I was okay when I took him, but when I picked him up, I was like, oh, baby,
What's
I'm
that
so
purpose of
sorry.
that?
Just as
Joey's supposed to have his tail docked. I wouldn't touch his tail. I would cut anybody's hands off if they came near his tail. He's got a big long tail. Somebody once told me that it should have a tail docked. I'm like, how about I cut your hands off?
And you never, I didn't think all the way through. I didn't let a lot of people give me opinions either. I didn't, because I know that it would change my mind.
Yeah. All right. Listen, I guess it gets off, you say, but to me, I
But he's,
love tail.
Oh my God! Look at her. She is so
yeah,
cute.
she's good.
But he's good. He's so cute and manly with his leather harness. Jillian ain't
Yeah, he has this one.
Yeah, he had that.
I just got this one.
Last legs.
This is so fun to watch them do this. Oh my
Look,
God!
you know what she just said, Spencer?
What's that?
Jillian ate her harness.
She did, right?
Oh my
Right,
God,
right,
he
Corey?
ate his.
She ate the harness, and then I lost it, and that was the end of it.
Oh my God!
What's that?
That's the bite a lot.
Oh, yeah.
So what about that? Are you gonna train on the biting?
I can tell you how to prevent it. I can stop him from doing it in class, but it's all about what you guys are doing at home. Yeah, that's pretty much what all the kids. This class is actually to train you guys. I can do it with your dog, but if you guys don't stick with it or you don't work with it, then there's no point.
Oh my God! They're
And
so
trust me, the more you
cute.
work with them- the more you work with them now, the easier life you're going to have.
And they should both sleep really well when you take them home after class.
Oh, good. I got this.
Get him, Jillian.
Get him,
Don't let
Jill.
him bully
Get him,
you.
Jill.
Don't let him bully you. He's a bully.
She's being a girl right now.
She's holding her own. She's holding her own.
Hey, be nice. Be nice.
Oh, don't worry, Jillian got
Be
him.
nice. Oh, she's so soft.
I know she's so cute.
She looks wiry, you know what I mean?
She's a little wiry, yeah. She walks like a rabbit, too. She's walking on the leash. She's like
So this is Shadow's first day in class, and
This is
he
the
found
first
him a
time
little
he's, like,
girlfriend,
played.
Jillian. It's the first time that he actually played with a dog.
Yeah.
Normally he backs away from him, but Jillian, yeah, she got him.
You having fun?
That's our trainer, Corey. Hi, Corey.
Oh, you should get her. She barks like the rest of them.
She's a girl, though, right now. She's like, I don't have to talk.
Right. that's
You
right.
come to me.
Exactly. Exactly.
There's Proud Papa drinking his coffee. And there's Mama over there sitting there. She's so cute.
There you go, Jillian. Now she got something to say. That's right, baby.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'll load this on YouTube, then that way you can,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, then that way you can get it.
Okay.
So you want to say something about Jillian's first day?
Jillian's having her first day of puppy class with Shadow. They're having a lot of fun.
How long you been doing this?
I've been training for about a year, but I've been with the company for about 3 years.
Oh, wow.
Did you have to go to school, training school?
I did. I had to do 100 hours of training to become a trainer.
Oh.
I had to spend 2 days, about 16 hours reading the actual handbook on it, And then I went to another store and I was following around the area trainer for 2 weeks. I was teaching some things in her classes. She was training me on how to be a trainer, and then when I was done with that, I had to go back to my home store, follow around the trainer there for about 2 weeks, and then I started my own class.
So
Okay, so for all those people that think that dog training is easy, it's not.
So what do you think, group or one-on-one?
Group is definitely better for the socialization, especially with puppies. If they're not socialized and they become aggressive.
Oh, that kiss. I miss Shadow's first
They
kiss.
did. They had a kiss. They looked at each other and tongues came out. Look, maybe they'll do it again. No, it was so cute.
I miss Shadow's first kiss.
That's right.
Yes. Yeah, this is definitely a good idea.
Oh, I love it. I took him to the park the other day, and there was a cute little dog there, and she kept trying to play with him, and he had no parts of it. He didn't want to be anywhere near her. He was trying to crawl up my leg to get away from her. So that's why I'm so shocked to see. But look how adorable Jillian is. Who wouldn't want to play with her?
Nobody would.
This is more his age.
Except Joey. The one I wanted to play with her.
Well, Joey was the only child.
He was. And so he's not too thrilled with me right now.
Do you have kids?
No, it was me
Yeah,
and Joey. He was my
right,
child. He's my
right.
child.
Oh my God! It's the same way when you have an older child and then you have a younger one.
Yeah, they're like, take it back.
Yeah. Take this back.
Yeah. He liked her for about a minute, and then he said, she lives here? Oh.
I wonder what he
Look
would
at
say.
Jillian. Look at Jillian.
So, yeah, let me tell you, he definitely communicated that to me many times. He looks at me like he's out of the corner of his eyes. And he has told me that.
Out of the corner of his eyes?
Yeah, he looks at me, he's like this, like, what did you do? I promised him the morning that I left for the pet expo that I would not bring home another dog.
Oh.
And then I came home and I said, I'm sorry, I broke my promise. And he's like, oh, I hate you, Mommy.
Okay, so rule number 1, whenever you tell your dog that you're not going to bring home a dog, don't.
That's right. And I've been to the pet expo before, but
Oh,
You
look
took
at
him with you?
it.
no dogs allowed. And,
Oh, it's just all kinds of
it's
stuff.
just it's like a Costco of puppies. Everywhere
Oh, wow.
there's zillions of puppies everywhere. And you go and you look and you buy one. I mean, if you
Oh,
want a puppy,
wow.
and you have rescues and all kinds of different organizations there with dogs. And you can find every breed that you could possibly want there. They're loaded. And then you find her. And they didn't even know what. They told me she was breed that she was not.
I think we might have to sign these two up for like some kind of puppy date.
There you go. That's right. They
Look
need
at
a
that.
date. Well, they're going to have a weekly date.
Yeah, they'll have the weekly date. I saw that.
You get him, Jill. You get him. Look at her mouth open. But I take your crap.
I love it.
He just slapped her in the face.
I love the way they play.
I know. I think so.
Whoa.
Yeah, she's
She got a second
she's
win.
tackling that
She's a little
ass.
Tom girl. A Tom boy. He's like, God, I'm exhausted. Do you ever give up, please?
Look at her. Oh my God, she's too cute.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, look at the kiss.
She's like,
Oh man, this is
you gotta
funny.
earn that kiss, honey.
Man, I bet you he doesn't
Okay,
have
so
as
my
much fun
phone
with
is
another
about to
dog.
die, so
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think that we're gonna go ahead and end this, or maybe we'll record a little something during the class.
After
But
that, we
this
took
is
him
Shadow and Jillian's first day, and they're getting along pretty good.
They're only a few days apart.